All right, I'm gonna go walk my dogs. I'm just gonna let this trade run while I'm out there. Yeah, to pop up at 7 o'clock. We're trusting the trend, letting the trade run. We're already 1,000. This is clear reversal area right here. We've been pushing up there the whole time. First take profit zone is right here at 50%. It's 1250. I think this is 1500. We can eventually make it down here. Probably take like the whole 15 minutes. Let me check the 5-minute candles out. Yeah, so the 5 minutes down there, we're about right here at 50%. That 1200 is a great take. We have the massive trend up right here at 1:30 in the morning. Another trend up at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we came down to the 23 EMA on the 5-minute, which is why we're going back up. We need to pass the 23 EMA on the 5-minute. We need to get past this blue line that I have here as well. If we pass that blue line, then we're going to go down the rest of the way. If not, we're going to push up towards this. That's not what we want to do. So we might take the 1250 the next time we see it. So the 1-minute 200 EMA is here. Let's make an adjustment to it. That's a key factor of us bouncing right now. If we can break the 1-minute 200 EMA, then we're heading for this zone here. But we've had the rejection. We're in the downtrend. I want to see us come on through this to the $1,500 mark. And that's where we're looking to start. We're looking to start at $1,500. I think the full take profit is 5,000, 5,000 or 4,000. 4,000 is way down here, which we can get to in the 7 o'clock hour, but we need to break this 200 EMA. But the next time we go through this line right here, I'm taking profit or I'm locking in profit. So 50 cents is lock in profit. There's the 50 cents that we need. Can we get to 1,500? We're attempting to lock in profit here. We got to do it manually because we just tapped. And that's a $3 trade right there. Lock in manually. So we'll take 1,500. Not a bad trade. Then we're going to reposition to get in later on. So this is a larger account trade. We took it from 10 contracts from 54.90.50, which is right about here. We took it down to 54.87.50, so $1,500. All right, that's our first trade of the morning. We're gonna look to reposition for 8 and 8:30. Let's go ahead and go single screen so we can go ahead and show you guys what today has been. Came down here at 524, broke it all the way down, came all the way back up to where we're at currently. The higher area right here touched off of our line at 3 o'clock in the morning and then came all the way down. So I could have caught either one of those. I wasn't up for either one of those. Watched a late movie last night, going to see Deadpool Wolverine, so we missed out on some of that push down. But notice that we hit my blue line, and then we came on through flushing out. So that would have been a nice little $4 play. This down here would have been a nice little $15 play. Let's go to 15 minutes so we can see less candles and refresh. Yeah, that was a key level of rejection. We have been underneath that the entire time. This is from the 4-hour time frame, of course. Underneath it the entire time, wicked it a little bit, then came back down to the 200 EMA. It's pretty much what happened there. So you're talking about a 95 down to 81 in about an hour. I could have survived the hour. If we would have broke this blue line, then I probably would have made it the hour. Besides, when we pulled back, we never came all the way back to this area. So, yeah, I could have made it through that trade. I would have just took it at the top right here and rode it down. But we got another trade close to the top. We're going to reposition ourselves later on. At 8 o'clock, we're looking to trade from this point, 55.06, to the downside if we get a pop up. But if 8 o'clock comes and we jump down to this 200 EMA and we start running, then I'll just take the trades to the upside. We're in an uptrend right now for the day. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, since 11 o'clock yesterday, we've been on an uptrend. We went to the high, and we're still reaching for this 1 hour 200 EMA, which is about $20 off. Well, right now it's about $12 off from where we're currently at. All right, so you guys have a good day. We're going to get back to the trading in a little bit. Happy hunting and be careful out there. Listen, you don't have to be right 100% of the time. When you're wrong, keep it at a small loss. And as you guys can see from my big account right now, I'm doing 4 to 1 basically. 40 takes to 10. 5,000 risking 1,250. We only saw a negative $250. We made 1,500. So how much? 1,500 is 12, which is a third of our trade that we had set up. Really good. Not gonna buy anything right now. Click on market. I'll go back to the 1 minute, looking for the future setup. Again, this is your buddy Sebastian. This has been another full transparency trading session, and I'm out.